Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the comprehensive and conclusive vocabulary guide by me, Anmol, in association with Ma Tutorial. Today, we are continuing with our B and moving on to the intermediate words of B. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. First one, benefit, labh. The new policies will provide great benefit to the employees. Begin, shuru karna. Let's begin the meeting now. Blunder, galti. He made a blunder during his presentation. Bitter, kadwa. The medicine tasted bitter. Boisterous, shorgul karne wala. The children were boisterous at the party. Breeze, halki hawa. A cool breeze blew across the beach. Bizarre, ajeeb. The artist's work was very bizarre. Brisk, tej. He took a brisk walk in the morning. Bargain, sauda. I got a good bargain at the market today. Bewilder, chakit karna. The complex instructions bewildered the students. Balance, santulan. She maintained perfect balance while dancing. Bravery, sahas. The soldier was awarded for his bravery in battle. Blatant, spasht. His blatant disregard for the rules was shocking. Bribe, rishwat. He was caught accepting a bribe. Bound, bandha hua. The prisoner was bound by chains. Bustling, vyast. The bustling market was full of people. Banish, nirvasan. He was banished from the kingdom for his crimes. Broil, sekna. I will broil the chicken for dinner. Baffle, हैरान करना. The puzzle completely baffled him. Borrow, udhar lena. Can I borrow your pen? Banishment, nirvasan. His banishment from the city lasted 5 years. Beacon, prakash stambh. The lighthouse served as a beacon for sailors. Barbaric, cruel. The barbaric acts of the invaders shocked the community. Battle, yudh. The battle lasted for hours. Bemoan, shok karna. She bemoaned the loss of her childhood. Bigotry, sampradayikta. His bigotry was evident in his speeches. Blithe, prasann chit. She walked with a blithe spirit. Broadcast, prasaran karna. The news was broadcast live on television. Bewitch, mohit karna. The magician bewitched the audience with his tricks. Backlash, pratikriya. The policy change caused a major backlash. Benevolent, dayalu. The benevolent leader donated a large sum of charity. Boil, ubalna. Boil the water before making tea. Blunder, galti. The actor made a blunder during the live performance. Blurt, bol padna. She blurted out the answer before anyone else could speak. Brawn, maspeshia. His brawn helped him win the arm wrestling competition. So brawn and brain, brawns and brains. जिसके पास ताकत भी है और दिमाग भी. Not sharp or very direct and straightforward in speech. Blunt. Kund. His blunt comments offended everyone. Bygone. Beeta hua. The bygone era was filled with many challenges. Bystander. Darshak. A bystander witnessed the accident and called for help. Biased, pakshpati. The judge was biased in his decision. Bequeath, virasat mein dena. She bequeathed her wealth to her children. Burly, balwan. The burly man lifted the heavy box effortlessly. Bustle, halchal. The streets bustled with people during the festival. Belittle, tuch samajna. Don't belittle others' efforts. Belonging, swamitva. He felt a deep sense of belonging in the community. Binge, adhikta. She went on a binge eating junk food. Barter, vastu ka adan pradan. They decided to barter their goods at the market. Breathe, saans lena. Remember to breathe deeply during meditation. Blasphemy, apavitrata. The preacher condemned the act of blasphemy. Bewilder, chakrana. The complex instructions bewildered the students. Banish, nirvasit karna. The king decided to banish the traitor from the kingdom. And that's that for today. I will see you in the next one.